just pissed me off, bro. I can't lie. Like the second time this happened in Birmingham last night, bro. But yeah. What the fuck?
Damn.
There's no houses right there. Look. That's actually someone's crib. You see?
Yeah. This shit is actually beautiful.
I was about to say, this is cool. How there's like a bunch of shit in it.
I actually love this. That is beautiful to me, bro.
That is cool with the plants, bro. Yeah, I definitely gotta get a fucking flip of this.
That shit is beautiful, bro. We have no idea what this factory used to be.
I think a good guess is cars or something like that.
Yeah. These are big ass basins, and they got they have barbed wire up there, so it must have been something that was valuable of something. A gunshot or a firework? I think that was a firework.
More bomby, like that
Yeah.
like the fireworks, right?
Yeah.
That didn't sound like a gun.
But I really love this. I wish I had my big camera.
That, I don't know, bro. That kind of sketched me out the second time around. Is your girlfriend recording?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, what the fuck is that?
Yeah, you can definitely tell by the ceiling damage. Like, look at this board here.
It's fucked up, bro. How would they do that?
This is beautiful. I actually love this. This right here, I
This
could
room
literally
is like
sit
the
here.
lunchroom. Look at the. Oh, wait, is that original? No, that's not original. Is it?
We weren't even planning on hitting this shit. We just hit some other crazy shit, and I just saw someone post this shit a couple days ago, and I was like, I know. Yo.
Hello?
Yo. Hey. Yo. Tweaker encounter. It's somewhere over there. Yeah. Oh, it's these motherfuckers right here. Yo.
Yo, what's good, guys?
What's the deal?
What's up?
What's the deal?
Was that we heard someone? We were like,
Yeah, I was like, what the hell, bro?
Do y'all think the same thing?
Yes.
Yeah. We scared each other. I was like, whoa, I swear I just heard someone walk. Yeah.
Go.
Go
Oh,
up.
yeah. We're about to go look at the
The
sunset,
water.
bro.
Y'all just on a water tower?
Yeah, dude.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah, bro.
Hey, y'all be safe, bro.
Alright, man. Motherfuckers came from darkness.
Yo, dead ass, bro. I didn't expect him to be like 9 and fucking 7. What the fuck?
Fucking 2 kids come out of this bitch with some pipes. They came out ready to swing on us with the pipes.
What is this? This is the incinerator. This is door lead to.
Beautiful. I ain't gonna lie, it would be kind of scary if there was a tweaker in this bitch.
This is
Yeah.
like someone dumped all their shit from some house they didn't want.
Oh.
Oh, this is the elevator shaft. That's what it was.
What the
There's a
hell?
car, bro, look.
Oh, there is a car.
Whoa, what the fuck?
Let's go see.
This there is.
That boy in
Look
it.
how far the tire is. That's fucking crazy.
It's like there's a fucking body in this bitch.
Maybe. Honestly, it's not even that scrapped. Considering all the vehicles we're seeing in Bandos, bro. There's like actually still a good amount of.
I think this bitch got crashed, bro.
Maybe.
That shit is way too small of an engine
Whoa, I
component.
just noticed the sound behind it. Holy fuck, it's a big ass sound.
Is it a Great Wolf Lodge? Wait,
Lodge. Lodge? Yeah, it does say lodge. It says.
that is a big ass sign. Bro, look at that fucking support beam.
What I'm. Yeah, that's awful, bro. What I'm thinking about, dude, imagine how loud it's gonna be when this falls on all these barrels. Like, I like it when it's decayed. Like, if it's not decayed, it's kind of weird. But like, I'm talking like.
Did you hear it on that?
Yeah, I kind of heard it.
How stable is this? Not very, probably. How do we get up? It has to be on that side of the building in the dark area. Right here? Yes.
What the fuck? Look at that moss.
That's crazy.
Is that a boat?
I wonder what this building really was. This floor smells like mold.com. Just stick your head in there. This shit is fucked.
Dude, what is that weird carousel thing going on?
You wanna go in there?
Nest of baby birds. Look at this thing. There's paintings and shit. TVs, old TVs.
That's crazy. Starbucks. What the f...
One really cool thing is that carousel. That fucking arcade thing. We should just book it straight to the top of the ground.
This one actually has light on the floor. But there's a bunch of moss on the ground in here. I'm down.
Okay. That wasn't that bad, to be honest.
I came up.
Over here.
Hell yeah.
The ferry shear has like a hole in that bitch, you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
This one feels way more solid, I can't lie. Damn. They were like, you know what? Meaningless parking lot, bro, fuck it.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. What the gunshots were. I'm gonna just bust my shit right there. I can't even lie. Hey, be careful at the end. I almost fell. That's what I did, bro. I almost fell.
I low-key didn't know what you meant.
Yeah, bro.
I was like,
I thought it went down a
or
couple
something.
more.
Listen. Dude, there's a rainbow. You see?
What?
That shit beautiful as fuck.
What the fuck going on? The music spawned and shit.
Oh, I wonder.
Shh.
we saw a rainbow. That was cool.